toasting?
Yes, toasting.
Here. You can fill it up.
No, no, what? Oh, I can't make any sound if it's... Alright, let's see if I can do this. Alright. I can't do it. Alright, clink, clink. I would like to make a toast to the birthday boy, Samet Atasoy. Happy birthday! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! That's just 3 hoorays, fine.
I think I saw Sonic
3 whores. That was 3 whores, not hoorays. Whores, 3 whores.
We're reading something.
Yeah, exactly.